Welcome to RICOH Spaces V2. In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a desk, locker and a parking space, all from the updated floor plan. On your floor plan, your desks, rooms and other bookable spaces will all be color coded. Green indicates that the space is available to be booked, red indicates that it's already booked by someone else, and grey indicates that it is limited or unbookable. This might be in the case of a certain team has a dedicated area in the office, and so those desks are reserved just for those people. So let's book desk number 22, and you can see on the left hand menu I've already got a couple of desks booked throughout the week. Let's choose Friday. I can choose an AM, PM or all day slot. Let's say all day and click next. Now before we confirm our booking, we haven't got a locker or a parking space assigned. So let's click get a locker and get a space, and it will automatically assign us one of the available spaces. Now we also have the ability to manually change these as well. So I'm going to change the parking space from 115 to 123 and hit next. That will update here, and once that's all done, I can click confirm book. And there we go. We have booked ourselves a desk, a locker and a parking space, all from the floor plan in RICOH Spaces V2.